welcome back to my channel and I'm Laura Crystal. Okay guys, so today I'm going to making the neon kit-sune. Gosh, I really like kit-sune because when it's neon, it's going to be look like a blue, yeah. And also I'm trying to making a mega kit-sune, so actually let's go to making neon. Oh, hi, Tristan. Yeah, she's my friend. Okay, so let's get going, Laya. Oh my god, I think you're really ready to be the neon score. Okay guys, so before I'm going to be making neon, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure that the notification is on. Okay, let's go in Laya. Actually, Leon is not in this video again because she busy. Yeah, yesterday she also busy, so and she didn't join class. But anyways, I record now because my class is going to be the end soon. Okay, so let me put Laya. Woo! Oh my god, Laya is so big when I'm putting light. Okay, so one more. Haha. Wow, it's so big. Okay, one more. And it's going to be supposed to be the last one. Okay, so I have to make them to the full ground for a 2 day. Yesterday they are all posting, and today just done off the last one. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! He's actually the neon blue one. Oh my god, you're so adorable. Okay, so let me show you guys a trick. I guess you guys know that kit-sune have a cool trick. Let me show you guys. Okay, sit. They just their up hand and just like shaking his look so cool like a point. Okay. Lay down is like kit-sune is sleeping. Oh my god, but it's so cute. Oh my god. I mean, it's so cute that have a neon with a blue tail, yeah. And you guys know that all the kit-sune, yeah, just have a red, but when it's neon, it turns to the blue, so it's look kind of sick too. Okay, what about back? Whoa. I think some of the 2 tricks didn't have yet. But it's so cute. Oh my god, look at the tail. Okay, so the next one is jump. Oh my god, it just backflip. Okay. I think we have to go to school right now to tell the teachers. It's only like I don't have a fly cushion, but we still have after of this. Yeah, we tried to making the mega idea. Okay, let's get going. Hello. Oh my god, and guys, my dream pack is a mega first dragon, neon giraffe though. And the neon ghost bunny I already made, but I just traded it away. And my dream pet is actually this round there. It's so adorable. It's come from the jungle egg and it's so rare. Okay, so let me take out my kit-sune again, and yeah, there you are. Okay, Trainer Shane, please tell me about the trick. Okay. I missed the trick while I'm riding. Oh my god. So it's going to look so sick because it's big, right? Wow, oh my god. Oh my god, look at the tail. Oh my god. You guys just see that? Can I do again? Do again. It's not working or something. Okay, let's just do it again. Are you okay? I don't know what happened to my kit-sune, but I'm going to put her name Bluey. Oh my god, I have to name it Bluey. Oh, it's so adorable. I love the blue name. And actually, guys, my username Roblox is Blueberry Shiny. Yeah, and don't forget my username. Yeah. If I see my friend, I'm going to give away some egg though, because I kinda have a lot of money, so I can buy them egg. Then let me hatch a egg one, cause I didn't even hatch this egg before. Yeah, wait, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Haha. So I'm going to be hatch a fossil egg. If I get a legendary one. I hope I'm going to be get a legendary, and this is the current server. But it's cool too. Ooh, everyone have a cool pet. I would love to see that pet. Oh my god, everyone's so nice pet. Oh, I love that. It's so cute. If I have a chance, I can trade this two forces, and this is with every one process and one not for one process. But I think it can, because I kinda have to add a lot. Let me try one. I think I have to try a lot, like it. She doesn't want it. Okay, so let's wait for the test. But I kinda have a hack how to get a legendary. So I'm going to be showing you guys, because last time I had to turtle by a cool RV hack. Yeah, I'm going to try. Let's go for select. What if you're going to be hatching a dodo or a T-Rex? I hatched a dodo first time by my friend taking care, and the time I was AFK. So actually she was helping me a lot to hatching the egg. Oh, it's actually night. Okay, so I can win the mini. Okay, but I think I'm going to win the accident room. Oh, I like this. You guys can play obby. It's kind of fun, but let me drop it. Because when I pick it up, it's kind of hard to jump in. Yeah. Okay. And all YouTubers is so easy to getting a T-Rex from egg, because T-Rex are getting by a 5%. You guys all know that, like all CX giraffe or something that get by a 1%, yeah, 2%, 3%. But this fossil egg is getting by a 5%, so it's easy to getting a legendary from this egg by only 5 egg or 10 egg. You're going to be getting this. Funny. Come here. Yeah, finally we pick off this. Oh my god, I think now it's time to sleep. Okay, so look, going to be my beauty house. Okay, now we're finally in home, and let me just try to hatch. This egg, I don't even hatch it like a 4 or 5 day yet. So I hope this is going to be a legend. Oh my god, it's a taking shower time. Woo! Come on. Oh my god, and also we get some money. I think I have to put up money, because one more time I'm going to be getting a 10,000 again. So. Also, guys, ready for Christmas. It's going to be coming soon. Okay, so I think we need more tests, like 4 more tests. Yeah, just waiting for a red test. Okay, now we're finally in hot spring. Yeah, haha. I always do the T-Rex. Yeah, also order Glyptodon. I love Glyptodon. Oh my god. Yay. Oh, I'm kind of miss my bestie, Leon. She's so busy. Maybe today her house light out again. Yeah, I hope it's not. Come on, Fossil. Come on, Fossil. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, oh. Yes, finally we have. We need only like 3 more. Whoosh. So I think we have to waiting for the nighttime or during our feet. So let's stay there, guys. I wait too long. It's finally the water time. Oh my god. It's time to drink, so select. I hope you're the best bestie. Oh my god. I wanna hatch more, but I don't have a rope. Yeah. I never have a rope before. Okay, only 2 tests more are going to be hot. Okay, so wait for it. Okay guys, so I think this is a good place for my fossil that we're going to be hatching. So I'm putting in the green one because I hope it's T-Rex. I never get a T-Rex from a fossil, but I did get a dodo before. Okay, so I'm going to get in to roast the marshmallow. Oh, I'm relaxed. Wait, is it already? Okay, come here, fossil. I'm going to be give you the special. Oh my god, I hope it's a legendary. What is it going to be? Wait. Oh, did not trust. Oh my god, it's an ultra rare. But I do still love it. Oh my god. Because the ultra rare one it's so hard to get it. I think next video I'm going to be still making some cool neon pet, yeah. And in this video, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to click the support button, also like button to the Amira Crystal. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you guys in the Mermaid Muffin video. And don't forget that the notification is on. So, bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, the cooking is said bye.